Hello, happy Tuesday, everybody. So my sister found this kit in Tennessee at a toy show. It's by Great Garages model car kit, and it is from the year 2000. So it has all kinds of tools, equipment, decor. It says right on the box, 2000 Century Corp. Here's the other side of it. You can have just about anything you want in there. So the finished size is 14 inches. Paint and glue required, sold separately, 124 scale vehicle not included, for ages 12 and up. I don't want to open it, but we're going to open it. Here's one of the display cases, or part of it. Looks like that's part of a wall in there. I'm not going to open these individually, but looks like there's two pieces in there. Here's another piece of the floor. Looks like it all just interlocks. Here's another piece of the wall. Here's another piece of the floor. Like I said, it looks like it just interlocks together. Piece of cardboard. I don't know if that's for the floor or what. Here's your instructions that show you how to put it together. Comes with wire. I assume are for the tools. Looks like it's got a huge... That looks like it's all stickers for the walls. Just kind of shows you how it all goes together. Looks like 3 walls, and then the top. But that cardboard piece could be the bottom. That's everything in the first package. Let me get all this bag back up. Okay, we'll set that aside. And then we'll open up this other bag. Which is already open. Must have been open, and then looks like somebody scotch taped it back together. Here's our first tree. We got toolboxes. We got a welder. Acetylene tanks. I'm guessing that's what the hoses are for. We got an engine block. Got another set of tanks over here. Some wheels. There's all the little pieces for the torch. That's what that is for, the torch. Very cool. On this tree, we have the rest of the engine. You must be able to put a whole engine together. We've got a jack stand. Looks like another little toolbox. A creeper. Some wrenches and pliers. A saw. Air tools. Wrenches. Piston heads. 4-way. Lots of little wrenches and stuff. So that's pretty cool. On this tree, we got a big honking air compressor. Got an engine remover, which is very cool. Makes me wonder if there's an engine stand in here now. Looks like maybe another couple pieces for the welder. That compressor is massive though. Just a bunch of oddball stuff that I don't know what it goes through yet. Here we got some more cabinets. Toolboxes. I don't know if that's a CB radio or if it's a radio. It's kind of hard to tell. Could be like a shop radio maybe. Some more cabinets to put together. It's going to be a big building this. Hopefully the stickers are in decent shape. And then here's just a couple little extra little cabinets that were left. Just a lot of cool stuff to build and paint. I don't see an engine stand though. So it just makes me wonder if the engine is supposed to hang off the cherry picker or if it just sits on the ground. That one's kind of warped there. It looks like a little cart for it. Very cool cherry picker though. It's got all the places for the wheels to go. There's just so much little. Not really sure what this is supposed to be here. Maybe a saw or something, table or a drill. That's what it is. It's a drill to put on your workbench. Pretty cool that she went on vacation to find this. I'm just looking over all the little parts that are on here. Got a really nice detailed jack. Shelves. That looks like a light. Fluorescent light. I didn't know it would come with an engine though. It's got everything to build it up. Not really sure what this is supposed to be either. That looks like the cart for your tanks to sit on. That's kind of cool. But yeah, I'm going to have fun building this. Now comes the fun part, trying to get it all back in the box. This was in here first. I don't know if I can get it all back in there. I will, I'll do it after this video, but there it is. Great garages. Let's open up the stickers just to see what they look like. Just to see if they're in decent shape or not. This kit's 23 years old. The stickers could be shot. Okay, here's our first sticker. It's very cool. It's got the plug-ins on the wall. On, off. Got all kinds of drag photos, racing photos, car photos on there, if you can see them. That one's kind of cool. And then here's the big garage. Once again, it's got the door. Caution, this door must be kept closed. Light switches and plug-ins. It's got a nice clock. Bulletin board. Nice dragster car picture. And then just a bunch of welcome race fans, Mr. Gasket Performance Group. Very cool. Hopefully these are still good. But yeah, I can't wait to build it. And I've got a pretty good idea what car I'm going to put in it. I think I'm going to put my 29 Ford in it. So, everybody have a great rest of your day. Don't forget to subscribe, smash the bell, like the video, and leave a comment. I welcome comments as we continue to grow our YouTube channel. And when I get ready to build this, I'll post updates. Everybody have a great rest of your day.